Is it just me, or is it that whenever you go to all these people who can fix tech in Nigeria, you give it to them, and then when they come back and fix it for you, it seems that everything is much worse than it was originally? So in this video, I'm going to be giving you two instances of how um, people who fix my stuff make it much worse. So the first instance happened back in 2023. So what happened was that I had a projector and the projector stopped working completely. So because it stopped working, I thought that I could fix it up. So I was able to, hustle like freelancing and all that stuff like that on Fiverr. Well, for Fiverr, I do all this software testing and stuff, by the way, and I make reports, and you can read them in the description below, like my reports and stuff. But anyway, I was able to actually make some money from doing this stuff, like on freelancing, so that way I'd be able to fix the projector. So I go to this guy and I ask him, hey, is he able to fix my projector? And the guy said, yes, I can fix it. I just got the problem was that the projector can't turn on anymore, and I needed to be able to turn on. And he said, yeah, sure, I can help it to work again. So then I give the guy the projector. He now calls me a few days later and tells me that the projector is not working. So I go to the guy's shop, and when I go there, he shows me that it's working, and then I pay him his money and all that stuff like that. So then I now go home and I test out the projector. So then the first thing I noticed about the projector was the fact that the guy cracked the lens inside the projector. Now this is the projector in question that the guy fixed, and you won't really even be able to see the cracked lens because there should be a light and everything, but there's no light. And let me continue with this story. So when I get my projector back from the guy, I plug it in, and when I plug it in, like, it's working and everything. But then what happened was that I continued like a flash, or I want to watch a movie. Anytime I click on the movie to watch, the whole projector will just go off, poof. And I keep on doing it again and again. I turn it off, I turn it back on just to watch that movie, and it would keep on turning off. So I said, okay, forget movies. Let me just plug in my laptop. Like, I use the HDMI port here to basically plug in my laptop, and it was actually working. I was about to watch a movie. Then what happened was that the light of the projector stopped working. Like, this thing would work if you plug it in, but light can no longer come out from the projector, and it can no longer produce an image. Like, the guy made my projector even worse, and I just said, oh my god, I don't know what to do at this point, because this thing is practically just trash, and to just go and start buying a new projector. So the second instance of this had to do with my laptop. So I remember I made a video about my laptop last year, and you can watch it up here in the description below. So basically, this year my laptop's the screen stopped working, to be precise. I was at school, I was typing my project and everything, and you can view my project like that I typed for my university in the description as well. So moving on, I was typing my project, and all of a sudden the screen just stopped showing anything. So I thought probably like my laptop may have crashed or something, so then I turned the thing off. I will turn the laptop back on. It will be showing like the laptop logo when it's booting and everything. Then after that, the thing will go blank again. So apparently I found out that it was the lights in the laptop that stopped working. So I had to go and fix it and all that stuff. I paid money, I got it fixed, and you want to know what they did to this laptop? So first of all, when they fixed it, they damaged this part here. This part can easily come out, and that's not what it's supposed to do. It's not supposed to come out at all. They damaged it, so I have to just, this thing keeps on coming off every time. I have to always make sure that I put it back. Next, as you can see, there is a tape here. I don't know if you can see, there's a tape here and all that stuff, because when the guy was opening the laptop, because he had to, do some wiring and stuff, he accidentally used one of those hot, I don't know what they called, all those hot things they used to repair, and he accidentally put it here, and this place melted. So he now got tape and put it there, and it just ruined the beauty of the laptop. Now, I can forgive the guy for the first two things, but the one thing that I can't forgive this guy for is the fact that he damaged the speakers of this my baby here. After this thing was fixed, after this was fixed, the speakers started sounding much worse. It started sounding more muffled. Like, I don't know what this guy did. I don't know who sent him to go to the speaker of my laptop. It's just to fix the screen, and you've done more harm than good. It's very sad when a lot of these people that say, oh, we can fix things, don't even end up fixing it well, that they make it much worse. Which is why there's some people that they will tell you that they don't let people fix their thing, that they would rather buy it newly than to, fix it. But then, like, not everyone has the money to actually buy everything newly. So people have to actually end up fixing their stuff just for them to continue using it. But what do you think about this? Share your stories in the comments below. Like and subscribe, okay? Bye.